Watch me set up this ad. This is the ad account I want to use, and right now I am on campaign level. So I'm going to click create. I will select traffic and I'm going to select manual traffic campaign and click continue. I will give it a name. This is the name of the campaign. Then I'm going to go down, and that is all I need to set here. I will click next. I can click next. I can also click this place, whichever way it is okay. And I'm going to give the ad set name. Then I'm going to select website. I want to direct people to my website. The budget, the daily budget, I'll set it to 3,000 a day. And the audience, I will erase Nigeria. So I'm going to select Betu Awoyaya. I'm going to select this one. I will select 20 miles radius, just 20 miles radius, that is around my place. That is all I need to set for that, for the location. Then I'm going to click on this, the age. I will select 24 and above, and I will click here. I will take it to custom audience. Then I have already created this audience in the past, so I'm going to select them now. These are people that interacted with my page, people who messaged my page, people who click on call to action, people who saved my ad, who visited my page, people who engage with my page, people who follow my page, people who save any of my posts, people who message me on Instagram, people who save my ad, who visited my Instagram profile, people who engage with my page, people who follow my Instagram page, and people who watch my video to 25%, people who visited my website. So these are the targeting audience. Can you see that? All right, now that I've selected my audience and I've selected the location is just 20 miles, around 20 miles radius around myself, and it's going to be in Nigeria. That is all I need to do for there. Then I need to save this audience. Let me look for where I can save this audience. This start date. Okay, let me reset the start date to today. And let me look for where I can save the audience. Okay, this is the button I can save the audience. So I'll save audience as I'll give it a name, House in Nigeria Retargeting Audience. Okay, then this is it. Now the age is 24 and above. I'm going to save this. I want to edit this, but there's no provision to edit this, so I will leave there for now. Okay, so I'm going to go to the add. I'll go to add by clicking on next. I'll give it a name. And my page and my Instagram page is selected. For this, I want to use existing post, and I'm going to uncheck multi advertiser ad. I don't want that. I'm going to enter post ID. I've already copied my post ID here. If you don't know how to get post ID, I have a video on how to get your post ID. I will leave it in the description of this video. Okay, so that is my post ID. I'm going to check this now. It should update. Okay, you can see that is it there. The posts have updated. And for primary text, is automatically there since this post ID I'm using, and my pixel is there. Everything is there now. So I'm going to publish it now so that it can go for approval. I've published it. We'll wait for some hours for it to be approved. So that is how you can set up your ad. That is how you can set up your Facebook ad in 2024. I hope you benefit something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a video testimonial. See you in the next video. Bye.